Are you an ODSP and thinking about getting a job or starting a business? Well, stay tuned. We will break down how regular employment and self-employment affects your ODSP benefits and how to accurately report your income. Hello, Habak here, and welcome back to Ontario Without Barriers. I know this video has been a long time coming, and I truly apologize for that. But there was a lot of research that had to be done for this video, and let's just say my math skills were put to the test, which is hard when you're a social worker. I also wanted to give the most detailed information in the simplest form possible. Just a reminder that all of the information on this video comes from the Government of Ontario's website as of February 2025. This video is also meant to be informational based only and does not constitute legal or financial advice. The information presented are based on publicly available sources. As you may know, the Ontario Disability Support Program, or ODSP, provides financial assistance for things like living expenses, health-related benefits, and employment benefits. Payments are calculated based on individual circumstances such as family support and specific needs. It's important to understand that ODSP does allow participants to have a job or even start a business and maintain some benefits. This video focuses on how legal employment and business ownership affects your ODSP benefits. It is important to report any and all earnings to ODSP. ODSP earning exemptions and calculations. If you're not in high school, full-time, or post-secondary education, then you can earn up to $1,000 that is fully exempt before it affects your ODSP. The first 25% of earnings above the $1,000 is also fully exempt. Your income support from ODSP is reduced by 75% above $1,000, excluding expenses. Non-disabled spouses and dependent children who are 18 and over and not in full-time high school can earn up to $200 per month that is fully exempt. Above the $200, 50% of that money is still also exempt. You can report all your income earnings through the ODSP website, their electronic system, or their income reporting form. You must report both your net pay and your gross pay, including tips and any garnishments. Even fully exempt income must be reported. If you are self-employed or own your own business, then you also have to report that to your caseworker. ODSP considers your business profit minus approved business expenses as income. An annual average is used to determine this value. For seasonal businesses, the average is calculated during the operating period. You can claim $100 for the standard expense deduction without any proof, or the full amount of the expenses with receipts. Eligible expenses can include supplies, tools, bookkeeping fees, and etc. Wages, business loss, and other items are not covered. Consult your caseworker for eligible expenses. The work-related benefit can provide up to $100 per eligible family member that is earning income per month. Consult with your caseworker and provide proof of income. There are also disability-related expenses and childcare-related expenses that you are also allowed to claim. Reporting examples. The following examples are meant for people who have a job through an employer. Let's say I have a job as a social worker through an agency. Let's say my gross pay is $3,000 and my net pay is $2,200. I have a $150 monthly paratransit bus pass, which is a disability-related work expense. So $2,200 subtract $150 is $2,050. ODSP subtracts $1,000 as exempted income, leaving $1,050. 25% of the $1,050 is also fully exempt, which is $262.50. So $1,050 subtract $262.50 equals $787.50. Let's say my ODSP payment was $1,368. If we subtract that by the $787.50, which is the 75% amount above the $1,000, it would equal to $580.50. You would then add the $100 for the work-related benefit. So your new payment for ODSP the following month would be $680.50. If you have a job through an employer, then you report your earnings each month, and then the following month, your income will determine how much support you get. The next example are for individuals who are self-employed or own their own business. For those who are self-employed or own a business, then they take the amount you make for the whole year to determine your monthly amount for the following year. Let's say I own my own social work practice. Let's say my yearly income for 2024 was $24,000, making that $2,000 per month profit. Let's say I have a $250 per month bookkeeping fees and advertising fees. $2,000 subtract 250 is $1,750. Let's subtract the $150 paratransit bus pass, which is a disability-related expense, leaving $1,600. Now we're going to subtract the $1,000 that's fully exempt, leaving us $600. We'll now take away the 25% that is also fully exempted of the $600, which is $150, leaving us $450. Let's say my ODSP payments are usually $1,368, so if we subtract the 75% above the $1,000 exempt amount, that would be $450. That means 1,368 subtract 450 is 918. When we add in the $100 work-related benefit, that equates to $1,018. So my new monthly support payment for ODSP for 2025 would be $1,018. I know that was a lot of math, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I also have ebooks available with more financial resources, both provincial and federal, available on the Ontario Without Barrier website, and I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I'll see you next week.